Hi guys. Today I'm doing a talk with me like an Amazon microphone. So this cat said type anything in here. So now I'm gonna type. So this is the type. So this is hello. Bye. Are you good today? Or what have you been doing? So, Scratch Cat is my helper. So now I'm gonna type hello. Hello. And then Cat said hello. So I'm gonna type what have been you doing? So you have to do the question mark if then they don't know. So they said eating pudding. I love eating pudding because it's my favorite snack. So I'm gonna eat it. So I'm gonna type Scratch Chat. Are you good today? So I'm gonna question mark or a yeah like that like thing. So Scratch Chat say yes. So now I'm gonna bye and then I'm gonna end this video. Bye Scratch Cat. Bye everybody.